Can I ask you one question?
Yeah, tell me.
Do you have a first one?
The question is, it's not respectful. Why you need to ask about that one? You don't have... Of course I do, yeah.
Ayan guys, mag-vlog tayo today at ito nga, nagluluto muna ako ng breakfast and look who is here. You drink your mama?
Yeah.
Hi, Baba.
Finish already? Don't lie. Where is your bottle?
Where's your bottle? Get your bottle.
In the bedroom.
Yes, he's here. Baba is here. Say hello.
Hi.
Baba just come from work. He arrived today in the morning. So, day off ni Baba for 6 days. O, di ba? Happy life na naman ng mga bata, happy kids. Kasi nandiyan si Baba. May kalaro na naman sila. So, lalabas tayo mamaya guys. And, may aasikasuhin tayo sa labas. So, ikikwento ko sa inyo mamaya. At mag-prepare muna ako ng breakfast namin dahil nagugutom na kami. Medyo wet pa yung hair ko kasi naligo ako kanina. Pagkagising ko kasi parang inaantok-antok pa ako. So, parang ligo ko na lang para fresh ang lola nyo guys. See you guys. See you later. Sujuk, salad luck, cream cheese, and love na. And this one is special made, no, panjar. This is panjar come from Turkey. Sweet. Yummy, Yazi?
Honey.
1 hour later.
Hi, Baba.
People?
No, little only. I have just 4 persons beside me.
Go, maybe they will pull you now.
Hi guys, nandito ako sa medical center. Magpapa-medical ako kasi magre-renew ako ngayon ng visa namin. Yes? Yan si Amor. Naiwan sila sa sasakyan. So, papasok na ako sa loob guys. Baka tawagin ako.
Please proceed to counter number 22.
How are you guys here? Go back in the back. Go back seat. Go back seat.
McDonald's
You go McDonald's?
to get ice cream. Hello there, everybody.
How are you? Hi guys. I miss you. Oh, Baba has hat? What is this hat?
This hat is for me. You know it comes from McDonald's.
Very serious mood ni Lakay Sadie.
And then you know how you know that it comes from McDonald's, right? I got the sweatband.
The
Toys.
visa, right? Did you talk to them for it?
Yes.
See toys.
What?
See toys.
You see toys?
Yeah. Basketball toys.
Ayan guys, tapos na ako nagpa-medical look. My visa is expired. Baba, my visa to renew. No, I still have time. Right, Baba?
1 month.
There is one more month.
What?
Baba, someone, this girl told me something.
What's your
This reception, this counter. She said that when you need to modify your name on your visa. When your visa is approved, let them modify before they will put the sticker. Because your visa, your old visa was writing your family name when you were single. Now, your new passport was writing now your married family name. So, she said that I'm not going to write your old name in your visa. I will follow your new passport details. So, when
So she don't follow this visa facility?
No, she didn't follow that name in my visa now. So, she told me that when you receive the approval of your visa, modified it before they will put the sticker. Request for
You mean
modification.
bandage on there?
So, they will put the name according to my passport, new
Where is your
passport.
number side?
It's there inside.
Yes.
Why you didn't buy for me ice cream too?
Because he'll melt if we wait for you.
It's yummy. What did you do while you are waiting for me?
Go McDonald's without you.
You go McDonald's without me. Or you go McDonald's?
See, McDonald's are very near. That's why we go McDonald's and go grab ice cream and go on McWilly. Guys, comment me down on the comments. Tell me Rebecca.
Pass by from the grocery and we will buy water. Water. Ganito sila bumili sa tindahan guys. Tingnan nyo ha. tingnan mo, hindi bababa tong kasama ko. Tamad lang. Nagbusi-busi na lang siya, tapos yung grocery, yung nagtitinda, yan, lalabas na. Yan,
Brother, give me
order.
one. No, give me 3 small water and 1 bumbo. You have bumbo? Cold, yes, cold.
Bibili lang ng tubig, kayo pa yung bumaba.
Huh?
Sa dot nga bumaba, ate ka dot. Baba, sa dot ka nga bumaba?
Saan ka ba? Saan sinarap?
I said you are lazy to go down and you are just beeping your car and
It's not
you're
about
ordering.
lazy. This country rule is this one.
In Philippines, you need to walk and go in the grocery. They will not kiss your ass to bring the things that you will buy.
Here, VIP country.
Are you serious, Papa?
Is your Baba VIP?
No.
Grocery, everybody.
I don't know.
You pay na?
No problem. Keep it with you, brother.
Ayaw Baba give tips?
The water is so cold.
Nahihirapan ako maghawak ng cellphone ko guys kasi
Papa.
wala akong selfie stick, wala akong
don't
holder.
know.
Nasira. Na
Tita.
holder ko.
Baby.
I have same.
Reklamador naman tong kasama.
Ani.
Baba, we will make vlog. I will ask you something.
Hey, what this fit doing on my face?
Tell them like you're dancing. That's very important.
What she said? What you said?
Know how much money I have?
I don't know.
1,000,000.
Oh my God, we are a millionaire if you have that one. If you have that money, we will go back direct to Turkey. Baba don't need to work. If you have a millionaire, if you are a millionaire, right, Baba?
I already spent all that money for my dream house.
What do you see? Let's play. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
What you doing?
Let's play a game.
No. Not like that. And then you have to play I Spy.
I
Like
Spy?
the
Yeah,
eyes
okay.
and the part. I see
I
a
see.
house.
There's no house here. Near the
Car.
I see a parking.
I see nothing. I just see cars and parkings.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa... Iniwan ko si Yabon. Nagre-reklamo. Nandito kami sa Carrefour sa mall. Pupunta kami ng Etisalat guys. Kasi yung internet namin, for how many weeks na, napaka-weak ng signal. Kaya, kahit na wala kang pending payment, napuputol-putol yung yung connection. So, ipapalit namin yung router namin. At titignan natin kung kasi very old na daw yung router, sabi nung technician, kailangan namin papalitan. So ngayon lang namin naharap. Guys, papasok muna kami at pupunta kami ng Etisalat sa aming internet provider. Papapalitan namin yung router namin. See you guys!
One eternity later.
Hello guys! So ayan, meron akong nabasang comment just now. I read some comment in our previous video. At ngayon ko lang to nakita guys. Sabi niya, babasahin ko yung question at sasagutin naming dalawa. So this is the comment from this viewer. He said that, I don't know he or she, I don't know who. She said that your husband love you dearly, but he is Muslim. I'm sure he has a first wife before the new. Any Filipino is just a second option. So, what do you think about that? Can I ask you one question? Do you have a first wife?
Why you need to ask about that one? You don't know about it.
I know everything about you, but they don't know about you. I can share only this part from them because this is our subscriber and they deserve to know if the truth. If you have a first wife, do you have?
Let me think about it.
Why maybe? Why you cannot
No.
say straightly in my face? Do you have a first one?
Of course I do.
Really? You
Yes.
have a first one?
Okay.
Who is your first one?
Who can be Annie? She's beside me. You. Who can be else?
Really?
Of
Me alone?
course. Crazy.
Yan
It's
eh.
why all the Muslims should be the first wife or second wife, third wife. Why it
Because-
should be there?
Because many of
This
them,
question is it's
yeah, because
not
many of
respect-
them,
That's not a respectful question.
they are thinking that if you are Muslim, they are having first wife, second wife, even third wife. That's many of them knows about it. So, ayun guys, maliwanag ha. Wala pong ibang asawa ang aking asawa, kundi ako lang ang kanyang first wife.
Why should be the Filipino as second option?
Yeah,
Love, there is no option. How will Filipino
Yeah,
can be
and
second
he
option?
say
It
that-
doesn't matter whoever is it. But this is really
only Filipino is just a second option. So, are you agreeing with that?
impossible. It's not. Definitely not. I'm not agreeing. And this is not a respectful question.
So, whoever,
Love doesn't need first option, second option. Whoever love you feel, you will love it. Doesn't matter that you are Filipino, you are Turkish, you are Arabic, you are whatever is it.
so it's there's no any barrier for what's this? What kind of nationality you are? Once you fall in love,
Yeah,
even
you
they
will
are-
go through on it, yes.
yeah, even they are.
If you are happy with her, if you are feeling that you will share your life with her, yes. It doesn't matter which nationality is it.
So, ayan guys, it's clear and I hope we answer clearly your question and thank you for asking. I hope you can watch this video as well, and for all the people there who is in love, it doesn't matter your nationality, it doesn't matter also your religion. As long as you are in love with each other, you have respect to one another,
Yes.
you can
that's
be together. There's no any barrier for relationship. You can be couple, you can be a family, as long as your love is true. And thank you guys for always supporting us. Bye bye and see you to our next video.
right. Bye-bye.